Lewis County High School, we're building more than careers, we're building leaders. Our award-winning CTE program features 12 pathways. Last year, our program finished among the top 5% of CTE programs in West Virginia and earned the prestigious WV Pinnacle Award. Students said highlights of their CTE experience includes learning valuable hands-on skills, participating in extracurricular activities ranging from preparing food for special events, presenting the colors, to live streaming athletic events, being members of extracurricular clubs and opportunities such as FBLA, developing leadership and communication skills, creating and maintaining a school enterprise, making lifelong friends, networking with community businesses, having fun, hands-on opportunities from summer, fall, spring, conferences, to field trips and work placements. With more than 600 students enrolled, students work closely with simulated workplace environments and NOCTI standards, as well as our Lewis County community, to get hands-on experience and workplace skills.